Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. I've rolled out a ball of red clay, a large one and a small one. With the large one, gently roll one end on a flat surface. You'll want it to be a large, almost teardrop shape. You can use your fingers to smooth it out and to make it come to a better point. With a small ball, I'm going to just gently roll it out. And then just use my fingers to flatten it. And for this, I'm going to wrap it around the top, right there around the rim or the edge of the piece. Cut off any excess clay. And of course, there's a cat hair. I'm going to use my needle tool and just gently fold down the sides so that they smooth out. And then for that piece, to get it to stick together, just use your fingers to pinch it together and then your roller to make it all come together and to get rid of that seam. And then you can just pinch the top so that it is a little bit flatter. And then you can just pinch all the corners there just to make it kind of look ruffled. Roll out a ball of black clay until it's very long, and then use your finger just to gently flatten. And then just use the edge of your tissue blade to make the sides nice and even. And then cut off one end to make it nice and flat. I will wrap this around the bottom part of the sack. Cut off the excess clay and smooth out the seams. I rolled out two balls of blue clay, one's a light and one's a dark. And then some gold clay and some dark red clay. I'm going to make presents out of the blue color. Just flatten it and then start to square off each of the sides and the end. I'm going to make them like a rectangle shape. You can also do this on a flat surface to get the edges smoother if you want. Now that I've finished both of those, I'm going to wrap one in one color and one in another color. I'll wrap it around one way and then the other way. And I showed you how to make this in a previous video. I'll put a link for that in the description below. But I cut off a piece and rolled it out really thin. And then I twisted it. I'll make 2 candy canes out of this. I'd like to welcome everybody to my channel. And to let you know that for the month of December, I will be doing 25 holiday-themed jewelry pieces. I will be releasing one video every day until December 25th. So if you're just tuning in, please check out the previous ones and the ones to come. And now that I have all of my goodies done, I'm going to just start placing them in there. You can sit them in there however you want to. You could probably add more things in here too if you want, like little ornaments, like little balls and decorations and such. So I've rolled out this dark colored gold clay, and I will wrap it around the top. This will be the string that ties Santa's sack and keeps all those goodies in there, and cut off the excess clay. And then just join the 2 pieces together. I've rolled out some more of the gold clay, made this one a little bit thinner. I'm going to make 2 loops. So just bend the clay around on itself and then cut off the excess. And then place these right there at the top over the ribbon. And then I've made 2 long pieces. I'm going to place those at the base for the bottom of the bow. You can curl it up and bend it however you want it to look. Just place one on both sides. I've rolled out some even thinner gold clay, and I'm going to chop off 4 even length pieces. And you can just gently roll each of them just to smooth it out. I'm going to place this over the black clay directly below the bow. And you'll just put a one on each top, bottom, and side. Then I've rolled out a tiny ball of the gold clay, flattened it between my fingers, and then use a tool to make each of the sides into a square shape. I'll place that directly in the middle of my box that I created. Boop, put it into place. And then I'm a rebel. I didn't pre-poke my eye hook hole, I just put it in there. And then bake your piece. Resin assemble. And voila! They're just so cute. I had fun making these and creating these and coming up with this idea. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope you are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!